ideas have paved the ways for others. Be it Pratidin, Tasveer-e-Hind, Parak, Zyka India Ka, the most recent Vinod Dua Live. Each program by Vinod Dua comes with a great human warmth, wit, and a healthy sense of humor. His innovative imagination has always been characterized by unwavering professional integrity and deep commitment to the values of secular, democratic, and inclusive idea of India. The ITM University Gwalior feels honored in bestowing the degree of Doctor of Letters on Sri Vinod Dua in recognition of his trend-setting innovations and lasting contribution to information culture in our society.
Sir, may I request you to kindly come and receive the degree. Sir, please say a few words.
Honorable Chancellor, Guest of Honor, Vice Chancellor, other dignitaries and friends. The Guest of Honor rightly mentioned that this is the commencement of your life. So far, you have had formal education here. Now, the real education begins. I was in the US attending a convocation a few years ago, and the dean said, "We create the education we seek." Just listen to this carefully. Getting a degree, you have worked hard for it, congratulations, all the best, etc., etc. But now onwards, you will create the education which you are really seeking. So your journey has really begun now. और मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा कि इस तिरंगे की छांव में भारतीयता के छाते तले संभव है आपके लिए कोई भी पहचान रख पाना। आपको इस तिरंगे की रक्षा करनी है, भारतीयता की रक्षा करनी है, क्योंकि उसी में ही संभव है, उस छाते के तले ही संभव है कि आप अपने आप की पहचान अपने धर्म में ढूंढते हैं, या अपने ज्ञान में ढूंढते हैं, या अपनी जाति में ढूंढते हैं, अपने प्रदेश में ढूंढते हैं, कहाँ ढूंढते हैं। हमारे एक पूर्वज हुए हैं, उनका नाम है सर मोहम्मद इकबाल, अल्लामा इकबाल, जिनकी कलम से निकले सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमने बचपन से गाया है। उनका कहना है कि ज्ञान की जहाँ तक बात है, शिक्षा की जहाँ तक बात है, तू है मुहीते बेकरां। मुहीते बेकरां माने अंतहीन समुद्र, एंडलेस ओशियन, ज्ञान। तू है मुहीते बेकरां, मैं हूं जरा सी आबेजू। तू अंतहीन समुद्र है, मैं एक छोटी सी बूंद हूं। या मुझे हमकिनार कर, या मुझे बेकिनार कर। और वो आगे कहते हैं, बागे बहिश्त से, वहां से ऊपर से, अभी खुदा से बात हो रही है, बागे बहिश्त से मुझे हुक्म सफर दिया था क्यों? मैंने तो नहीं कहा था कि मुझे यहाँ इंसान बनाकर भेजो। बागे बहिश्त से मुझे हुक्म सफर दिया था क्यों? कारे जहां दराज हैं, यहाँ बहुत काम है, कारे जहां दराज है, अब मेरा इंतजार कर। तो मेरी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं। आप लंबी जिंदगी जिएं, सेहतमंद जिंदगी जिएं, आपकी तमाम ख्वाहिशात पूरी हों, आपकी ज़िंदगी में मतलब आए, मानी आए, जिससे हमारे देश की ज़िंदगी में मानी आए। इस तिरंगे के साए तले, भारतीयता के छाते में आप फले फूलें, तरक्की करें, सितारों से आगे जहां और भी हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have with us Shri Prabhakar M. Kolte.
Any important collection of Indian art would be incomplete without Professor Prabhakar Kolte's paintings. His decisive contribution to the contemporary Indian art and in enlightening art students and art lovers across the generations is irrefutable. His bold, poetic articulations of his impulses on canvas, contemplations about philosophical reality of art are universally acknowledged. Prabhakar Kolte is admired for his exceptional creativity and uncompromising commitment to his conviction. His paintings demonstrate his unique approach. Painting itself is my subject and subject matter. In 1994, Professor Prabhakar Kolte voluntarily retired from Sir J.J. School of Arts, his alma mater, after teaching for 22 years but continues to interact with students. Teaching is his passion. Many of his students are celebrated artists today, internationally acclaimed. Prabhakar Kolte's work continues to delight, enthrall, and is appreciated all over the world in prestigious galleries and in important museums. Prabhakar Kolte is a prolific writer and poet as well. His fundamental belief is subjects can be easily found all around, but thoughts comes out from the solitude within. My painting reflects my thought. The ITM University Gwalior is honored to confer the degree of Doctor of Letters on Professor Prabhakar Kolte in recognition of his creativity and his accomplishments.
Sir, may I request you to kindly come and receive the degree. Sir, I request you to say a few words.
70 साल की आयु में मैं पहली बार स्पीचलेस हुआ हूँ. I don't know what to say. I'm really overwhelmed and I'm really thankful to your university. Thankful to you all for choosing me for this prestigious award. आज ऐसे महसूस कर रहा हूँ मैं कि उपनिषद में कहा गया है, यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मनैवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते. इसका मतलब यह है कि जो खुद को औरों में पाता है और औरों को खुद में पाता है, उसे किससे द्वेष करना है. आज यो क्षण है कि हम सब एक जैसे दिख रहे हैं और इसकी मुझे बड़ी खुशी है. ये ड्रेस अभी उतारने की इच्छा नहीं है. मेरे स्कूल में मैं सबसे लास्ट बेंच पे बैठता था और कविता का मुझे बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान था, इसलिए कि जब हमारे मास्टर जी कहते थे कि चलो जो कविताएं बताओ, तो शुरू से मैं कभी पाठांतर नहीं किया. उसका 10-12 लोग पहले थे, उसके बाद में मेरा नंबर आता था, तो मैं बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से 12 लोगों का सुन के मेरा पाठ हो जाता था. तो मेरे सर बहुत मेरे से खुश थे. तो वो सबको कहते, देखो कोलते जैसा आप सब होना चाहिए. मुझे बोला तू आ जा, तू आगे बैठ. सब कुछ. और आई वॉज क्लीन बोल्ड. तो ऐसे भी बॉलर हमें स्कूल में मिले. कॉलेज में तो पलसीकर साहब जो मेरे सब कुछ है, आज वो नहीं है इस दुनिया में. आज वो होते तो बड़े प्यार से मुझे गले लगाते थे. मुझे माँ बाप से भी ज़्यादा वो प्यारे थे. एक मैं आपको ज़रूर कहूँ कि आप भले सबकी सुने, लेकिन अपने मन की करो. मेरे साथ जो पढ़ने वाले लड़के थे स्कूल में, उनमें से 80% डॉक्टर हो गए, इंजीनियर हो गए। आज मैं उनसे जाके कहूँगा मैं भी डॉक्टर हो गया हूँ, बिना किसी का ऑपरेशन किए। और ये खुशी आपके इंस्टीट्यूट ने मुझे दी है, ये हमेशा इसी ज़िंदगी में नहीं, आने वाली सारी ज़िंदगी में याद रखूँगा। शुक्रिया।
Sir, we are truly honored. Thank you. I now take the opportunity of introducing Srimati Tessie Thomas.
Hailed as India's missile women, Agniputri, or the one originated from fire, Dr. Tessie Thomas is the first women scientist to lead a missile project in the country so far. Born in Alappuzha, Kerala, Tessie grew up near a rocket launching station that attracted her towards rockets and missiles at a very young age. As an engineering graduate from Thrissur, she completed her master's in guided missile from Defence Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune, before joining the Defence Research and Development Organization. She is a pioneering women scientist who has played a key role in the making of most potent long-range Agni series of nuclear-capable ballistic missiles, which is considered to be the backbone of India's missile program. Dr. Tessie led the test launch of the Agni 3 missile and assumed responsibility as project director for mission Agni 4 and also for Agni 5, which were successfully tested in 2011 and 2012 respectively. In a career spanning over 24 years, she has contributed notably in various fields such as guidance, control, inertial navigation, trajectory simulation, and mission design. This makes her stand as a role model and a living inspiration for young women scientists. In recognition of her sustained efforts to make India self-reliant in the field of missile technology, the ITM University Gwalior is proud to confer upon Dr. Tessie Thomas the degree of Doctor of Science.
Ma'am, may I request you to kindly come and receive the degree. Ma'am, please say a few words.
Very respected guest of honor, Dr. Girish Kumar Mehta, Chancellor, Dr. Rama Shankar Singh, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Kamala Kant Trivedi, and all the distinguished guests on the dais, off the dais, faculty members, and my dear graduating students, a very good evening to all of you. It's really a proud and a happy moment for me to receive this honoris causa on the first convocation day of this ITM University. Because this university, within 5 years of its excellence in education, has given this country a contributing quality education, and the students coming out from this institute, from this university, is going to create a new world of national building to our country. And I'm happy that I'm part of this convocation and getting a graduation and graduating from this university. DRDO have been giving me the opportunity to work on the field of missile technology, and I take this opportunity to thank the university executive members and all my colleague scientists in imparting their service along with me for this nation. I'm sure each one of you stepping out of this institute is going to face challenges, and it's how we make the balance between the professional life and the career life and your real life. That's what it has to be there. And I'm sure the university has given you the whole set of quality to make that balance. Once again, wishing you all a very best. And thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. We are truly honored by your presence. Shri Anupam Mishra, Shri Gopi Chand Pulela, and Shri Yuvraj Singh have been bestowed with honoris causa degree. Degrees will be conferred upon them in a special convocation ceremony, as they are not here today due to compelling reasons. Now, I request Vice Chancellor ITM University, Professor Kamal Kant Devedi, to kindly come forward and present PhD degree to the candidates. Our first candidate this evening is Latika Bhatia from School of Science. Please put your hands together. Vikas B. Thakre, School of Engineering and Technology and Department of Computer Science Engineering. Rupal Srivastav, School of Science. Saurabh Khandelwal, School of Engineering and Technology and Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Brijraj Sharma, School of Science. I would now like to request Dean School of Engineering and Computer Applications, Professor Ranjit Singh Tomar, to kindly come to the podium.
Sir, I present to you 3 students who have secured the first rank in their respective examinations, for which they have been selected for the award of University Gold Medals. First, Ramesh Parajuli, Master of Technology in Information Technology, 2013 batch. Sharad Goyal, Master of Computer Applications, 2014 batch. Mohit Mishra, Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering, 2016 batch.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, students. Thank you. May I now request Dean School of Business, Dr. Vandana Bharti, to kindly come to the podium.
Sir, I present to you 5 students who have secured the first rank in their respective examinations for which they have been selected for the award of University Gold Medals. Saurabh Jain, Master of Business Administration 2013 batch. Prashant Kumar Kushwa, Master of Business Administration 2014 batch. Sanjit Kumar Gupta, Master of Business Administration 2016 batch.